Bitch, I'm from the, 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 bitch, I'm from the. Low key to play hard as fuck. Bitch, I'm from the ocean. I'm from South Florida, nigga, right next to the ocean. When I talk this shit, your girl pussy wet like the ocean. If you getting work, best believe it can't cross the ocean. And trust me, dog, I ain't fucked up about the ocean. I'm from South Florida, nigga, right next to the ocean. When I talk this shit, your girl pussy wet like the ocean. If you getting work, best believe it can't cross the ocean. And trust me, dog, I ain't fucked up about it. Training my hoes like karate. Got rid of my guns with the bodies. I got a revolver named Scotty. They'll beam your ass to your maker. The city full of them capers. My bitch smile, you better take her. I bet she come back with that paper. That's gangsta shit, no flavors. Got a Spanish bitch, no papers. Her booty go dumb as on acres. Fuck me and broke is my nature. And no, I don't owe niggas favors. I changed my location to neighbors. Shit was so bad and unstable. I used to steal Wi-Fi and cable. I used to ride around in the bucket. Pulling these pockets disgusting. Niggas won't help me for nothing. The table turns, now I'm reluctant. Fuck all you niggas, no rubber. I'm lethal weapon, Danny Glover. Might smash a bitch with no rubber. And pull out and bust on your covers. You niggas be so undercover. I swear that I'm built up to last. You niggas be built like some glass. Taking dick all in the ass. Low key then play hard as fuck. I'm in the cut with the baddest mutt. Getting bread, nigga, what the fuck? Where you from? You know. Bitch, I'm from the ocean. I'm from South Florida, nigga, right next to the ocean. When I talk this shit, your girl pussy wet like the ocean. If you getting work, best believe it can't cross the ocean. And trust me, dog, I ain't fucked up about the ocean. I'm from South Florida, nigga, right next to the ocean. When I talk this shit, your girl pussy wet like the ocean. If you getting work, best believe it can't cross the ocean. And trust me, dog, I ain't fucked up about it. My neighbors is old, they like to call troll. They complain about the ruckus. My business not up for discussion. Bitch, take your old ass to sleep. I do not do music for niggas who lie about pussy and beat on they meat. I get money low and discreet. You niggas ain't fucking with me. That girl got a perfect little body. We go out and chill with my bitch, I retarded. She ride the dick like it's a Harley. I find it ironic, I came on a Harley. Sex came on fleet ass gnarly. Mascara flex, she a Barbie. Stay asking questions about Florida. How to pronounce the names by the water. I like, damn girl, you ask a lot of questions. What you trolling something, law and order? She got hella bread. Let my niggas smash. See, I'm from the city where you get your ass knocked off for a pair of J's. I ain't saying it's right, but the media be showing palm trees like it's safe. But at the end of the day, I swear that I'm built up to last. You niggas be built like some glass. Taking dick all in the ass. Low key to play hard as fuck. Where I'm from, bitch, I'm from the ocean. I'm from South Florida, nigga, right next to the ocean. When I talk this shit, your girl pussy wet like the ocean. If you getting work, best believe it can't cross the ocean. And trust me, dog, I ain't fucked up about the ocean. I'm from South Florida, nigga, right next to the ocean. When I talk this shit, your girl pussy wet like the ocean.